Hello there. Today we're going to talk about a really great way to start our day feeling happy and ready for anything.
Hi, friends. I'm so happy you're here with me today.
I'm going to let you in on a little secret, my morning routine. So, what's a routine? Well, it's just all the things we do each morning to get ready for the day. It's like our own special plan to get started. Okay, so the very first thing I do, of course, is wake up. My eyes open, the sun is shining, and it's a brand new day.
And then I do a big stretch. I reach my arms way, way up high and say a super happy good morning to the world.
After my big stretch, you know what I do next? I make my bed. It just makes my room feel so nice and tidy.
It's really easy. I just pull the blanket up nice and smooth, and then I give my pillow a little fluff. There, all done.
And here's the best part. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. I just try my best. And trying your best is always, always enough.
All right, the bed is made, my room is feeling good, so next I pop over to the bathroom.
I splash a little cool water on my face. That feels so refreshing and really helps me wake up.
And now for a super important job. It's time to make those teeth sparkle and shine. Gotta keep them healthy for my big smile.
To get them super clean, I move my toothbrush up and down, and then in little circles, round and round. It's kind of like a little dance party for my teeth.
Okay, all clean. Now that my teeth are sparkling, it's time to pick out my clothes for the day.
So, I'll put on a fresh shirt, some comfy pants, socks to keep my feet cozy, and of course my shoes so I'm ready to go, go, go.
Ooh, you know what? My tummy is starting to rumble. That can only mean one thing. It's time for breakfast. It's so important because it gives us all the energy we need to play and learn.
I love to eat healthy food to get my body going. Sometimes I'll have some yummy fruit, maybe some eggs, or a big bowl of crunchy cereal. And to drink, I'll have a big glass of water or some nice cold milk.
We are almost ready. I'll put my jacket on if it's chilly, and then do one last check of my backpack to make sure I have everything I need.
And that's it. From waking up all the way to heading out the door. That's my whole morning routine.
So now I'm curious, what about you? What are some of the things you do in the morning? Do you brush your teeth to keep them healthy and strong? And what about breakfast? Do you eat some yummy food to power up your day?
Remember, the coolest part is that you can make your very own morning routine that feels right for you. You can have your own happy morning routine every single day.
Check this out! Welcome to Mischievous Inventors!